We're looking at question 12 in the review packet. First, they give us the center and the radius, and we have to see which of these match up. So we're going to start off by putting it into the equation. Anytime we go from the center to the equation, we switch the signs. So we know we're going to be writing in -2, not +2 squared. And we know that we're going to be writing in +1 because it's -1. Anytime we go from the formula to the center or from the center to the formula, we have to remember to switch the signs. We also have to remember to switch the radius, or I'm sorry, to square the radius. So 5 squared is 25. So right away, we're going to eliminate choice B because B did not switch the signs, and we know A is correct. Then we're going to do the multiplication. Well, x times x is x squared. And if I was going to do the box, I'd get -2 plus -2, which is -4. And that'll be -4x. And then -2 times -2 is +4. Y times y gives us y squared. When we add 1y plus 1y, that gives us +2y. And 1 times 1 is 1. Excuse me, friends in the back are going to be sitting down and not talking. Then I'm going to have that equal to 25. So then now we can do our next one. We have -4 and +2, -4, +2. We'll eliminate choice D, and we're left with choice C. Excuse me. Next. Now we just have to move this over. Well, this is +4 and +1. If we combined it and subtract from both sides, we'll be subtracting 5. So that's where this 20 came into place. And then again, we know it's got to be negative. So it's going to be choice F. Why they did every other one, I don't know. But you should have A, C, and F circled for number 12. Me too. And here's one more. So I don't really know an easier way to do this except going back and forth, ladies. Excuse me, Sabina too. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to look here. So I know this says -4 and -5. So I know that my center has to be +4, +5. And this gives me 4 is the radius squared. So that means that the radius is the square root of 4, which is 2. So the one that has 4, 5 is not on here. Oh, thank you. So that's F. Oh, wow. Thank you. Okay. Someone just said, Christian just said 14 is A. He's correct. Positive becomes negative. Negative becomes positive. And the square root of 9 is 3. So 14 is A. 15. 15 says -10x here. So I know inside I'm going to end up having x minus 5. And I know I'm going to have y minus 4 because half of 8 is 4. And then if I only focus on the radii, the opposite of -5 is +5. And the opposite of -4 is +4. So that gives me choice H. And I don't even have to continue the problem because there's only one that has those measurements. Number 16, half of +8 is +4. Half of +10 is +5. And then again, I just switch the sign. So I'm left with -4, -5. The only one that's -4, -5 is choice E. For the last one, here's -4. Half of -4 is -2. +14, half of 14 is 7. And then I have to switch the sign. So I get +2, -7. So I know it's going to be choice D. Okay. Let me just, I think that's going to be the last one. Exit.